how to create Lego account. So if you want to create Lego account, then what you need to do is first you need to simply go with your browser, or you can go with your Google. So just open up anyone that you're comfortable with. Now once you're here, you need to simply go with search, and under search you need to search for Lego. Once you search for Lego, here you will have this kind of interface. Just simply go with www.lego.com, tap on it, and now you need to go with the upper right, which will have the profile option. But if you don't have the profile option right there, then go with the upper left, which has that menu, and under menu you will have an option of sign in. Tap on sign in. Now once you tap on sign in, you'll get this kind of interface, and if you want to create your account, tap on register. Now once you tap on register, it will take you to this kind of interface from where you can create your account. So you can either create your account with your Google, Apple, Facebook, or Epic Games, or you can just go with the manual process, which is with your mail or your mobile number. So enter your country, and after that enter your date of birth and go with continue. And you need to enter your first and last name and enter your email address, and after that create a password. So just enter your password, and once you created your password, just simply tap on yes, create account, which is on the bottom. And now you need to enter the activation code which you've received on your mail address, and after that tap on continue, and that's it. Your account will be created. So that's how you can create your Lego account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.